What if your birth date holds the secret to becoming a millionaire? Exciting could it be that the alignment of the stars and numbers in your date of birth determines your financial destiny? Welcome to our Point Taken channel Tranquility Vision, where we discuss topics that inspire and provoke deeper thought. If you are new here, don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications. You don't want to miss our exciting discussions and insights. In this episode, we will delve deeper into numerology and astrology to discover if your birth date can shed light on the path to wealth. If you are ready to learn about this concept and see what the stars have to say about your financial journey, let's get started. People with this number are often drawn to careers in finance or business where they can use their talents in leadership and strategic planning. This combination can bring significant financial rewards. The life path number Siam, although often focused on humanitarian causes, can also be a path to wealth. These individuals are driven by purpose and a desire to make the world a better place. When they connect their passion to a business or humanitarian project, they can create both social impact and financial success. Of course, these connections are just possibilities and not guarantees. Numerology provides insight, but the path to wealth depends on many factors, including hard work and the ability to seize opportunities. Let's explore specific birth dates in more depth and see what they can reveal about your potential for financial success. Born on the 10th or 8th, these dates fall under life path number 1, which is associated with leadership, innovation, and determination. People born on these dates are often focused on success with a strong desire to create their own path. They can be entrepreneurs, initiators of new ideas, or anyone who excels in competition. If you belong to this group, your ambition can be your greatest asset in building wealth. Born on the 2nd or 3rd, this number refers to life path number 2, which symbolizes diplomacy, cooperation, and harmony. Those born on these dates are often good at working together, which makes them great business partners. They can succeed in fields that require strong interpersonal skills. If you are one of them, your ability to connect with others can also open doors to financial opportunities. Born on the 3rd, 2nd, or 3rd, the life path number 3 is all about creativity and communication. Those born on these dates are often artistic and thrive in creative industries such as entertainment, writing, or design. If you are part of this group, your creativity is the key to unlocking wealth. Born on the 4th, 3rd, or 31, these dates are connected to the life path number AP, which symbolizes discipline, organization, and diligence. Those in this group are often kind and good at building a strong foundation. They often succeed in fields that require structure and attention to detail. If you were born on one of these dates, your perseverance can lead to financial stability and growth. Born on the 5th, 4th, or 23, the life path number 5 is known for its love of adventure and change. Those born on these dates are often adaptable, energetic, and seek out different experiences. They can thrive in careers that offer travel, new experiences, or dynamic environments. If you are one of these, your ability to adjust and adventurous spirit can bring about different opportunities that can lead to success. Those born on these dates are often deep thinkers seeking knowledge and understanding. They can thrive in fields that require analysis or research. If you are one of these groups, your desire for wisdom can bring about unique financial opportunities. Born on the 8th, 7th, or 6th, life path number 8 is known for ambition and power. Those born on these dates often gravitate towards careers in business and leadership. They seek success and are willing to work hard for it. If you are one of these groups, your ambition can lead you to wealth and prosperity. Born on the 18th or 27th, life path number SI is about compassion and humanitarian goals. Those born on these dates have a strong desire to make a positive difference in the world. They can succeed in careers related to charity, social work, or non-profit organizations. If you are one of them, your passion for helping others can bring a meaningful and fulfilling life. Numerology provides intriguing insights into the possible connection between birth dates and financial success. It is important to recognize the challenges and dangers that accompany the path to wealth, despite what your life path number suggests. Achieving financial stability requires dedication, discipline, and wise decisions. A common challenge is the temptation to overspend. Some birth dates are associated with a love of luxury and enjoyment of the finer and more expensive things in life. While it is good to be yourself, it is important to have a jet and manage your finances well to avoid debt. Another possible danger is the pressure to achieve success quickly. The path to wealth is rarely straight. Failures and obstacles are inevitable. If you focus too much on immediate success, you may miss important lessons in the process. Remember that numerology can be a guide, but your hard work, Perseverance and right decision-making will really lead SAO to long-term success. Be focused, be patient, and embrace the journey. While numerology is exciting, it is important to approach it with a realistic mind, although it is fun to explore potential connections between birth dates, and so there is no strong scientific evidence to prove these links are certain. Wealth depends on many factors, including education, environment, access to resources, and personal effort. Numerology can be inspiring, gives a unique perspective on your personality and potential strengths, but it is not a guarantee of success. The real path to wealth requires hard work, perseverance, and wise financial management. Stories of successful people often contain failures, trials, and extreme determination. It is important to remember that wealth and success are not just about cosmic alignments, it is about your actions and decisions. Ultimately, relying too much on numerology can lead to unrealistic expectations or wrong financial decisions. If you are making important decisions about your career or finances, it is better to consult professionals and do thorough research. Be critical in quick fixes and promises of easy wealth. In the end, the most powerful force in your success is you. Your dedication, perseverance, and willingness to learn will dictate where life takes you. So, while it is fun to explore numerology, always keep your feet on the ground and focus on building a strong foundation for your future. And this concludes our journey into numerology and possible connections between birth date and wealth. I hope you enjoyed it as much as we enjoyed discussing it. If you enjoyed this journey into the cosmic world of numbers, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss our next episodes. We would also like to hear your stories. Share in the comments your perspective on numerology, and if you believe it plays a role in shaping our financial future. Have you experienced any connection between your birthday and success? Remember, while numerology can be a guide, the ultimate success is your effort, determination, and perseverance. So stay curious, work hard, and keep exploring new possibilities. Thanks for joining us. We here at Tranquility Vision look forward to your visit to our next video.